Nakadaw jong kajing shit kerang palat jong kasngi bat banyadai kena na gijing ma Deputy Commissioner ke is kasils nen kasngi ula betha ya barok ki jaka pule ki badan hadangar bat ki jaka marjan ki bahwa apa ke blok mau senram ban khang nadu ka arpu wetrik yayong naga benta shitayau ni hadu ban dala pentip da kumwei Deputy Commissioner ula betha aru ya barok ki school ban ampenlong kino ki jing ilek kai sabar ki yeng school Kementeri Ketenat Kekoi Kekiai Dr. M. Amperin Lengdo ila ang bahadu menta kejing longjiman kadang biang bat kampat dan kanu-kanu kejing jia basungsi ha kejela. Cucu ila ang baka sorkar kadang persyang ban wat lat wat lenti kumno ban le na kabenta kani kejing wan kensan kejing shit kerang ne ke heat wave.
We have sent advisories to DCs to send to schools and institutions to ensure that children do not expose themselves unduly to sunshine and outdoor activities. So far, things are under control. We've not got any report that is alarming in any kind. So we would like to make sure that the state of Meghalaya has the heat wave effects under control.